Do you?
Yeah.
Why do you love Lorelai? Tell me more. You're so silly. Here. Why do you love Lorelai?
Because
Because why?
I like balloons.
You love Lorelai because you like balloons? How does that work?
Because of purple and yellow and
Oh, lovely. Thank you. Because balloons are purple and yellow?
yeah.
Okay. I'll accept that answer. Oh, look. She's giving you the turtle salute. That's huge.
What's a passy?
What?
What's a passy?
Oh, she spit it out. She was laughing so darn hard.
Where is it?
I don't know. Say hi, Lorelai. Hi, Lorelai. Oh, no coughing on her, though. There you go.